Hi, my name is Zinnia. I'm a professional watercolor artist and I'm also working as a sustainability advisor for Futurescaper in India. My job is to assess and advise manufacturing plants globally on the sustainability and environment practices. I studied my undergraduate degree at University of Cambridge in Natural Science Tripos, and then I went on to complete my education at University of Manchester with an MPhil in plant science. My Cambridge A-level subjects prepared me to start studying at University of Cambridge. So they gave me a solid foundation at which I could lean on and then build upon. So apart from the analytical, critical and creative skills that I developed during my Cambridge qualifications, the main thing that I have learned is how to apply the knowledge I have gained. To contextualize the knowledge is what was taught to me during Cambridge qualifications. So I'm a professional watercolor artist today. My only qualification in art has been art and design at AS level back in the day. And that built my foundation in arts, which I have now practiced upon. And today my art is in a league of itself. I have also studied IGCSE economics, which has helped me to apply my knowledge about how to understand policies and economic pressures that influence environment conservation efforts today. So this has helped me in my job as a sustainability advisor. Whatever you're enjoying, you should pursue that. Whatever you're studying at school and you're interested in it, you're liking it, do that. Don't forget about any kind of pressure from parents or teachers that, oh, you should study that instead. Just take their feedback. Nobody's saying not to listen to that. But if you're really enjoying a subject, definitely explore it or at least keep it as something to explore.